right, guys, I just did a live Sunday shave where I did the ultimate green wars. I showed the Gillette Planet Kind, the Schick disposable Extreme 3 Eco Glide, and the ultimate eco performer of the group, my Barber Up safety razor. And I trimmed nicely around the stash with them, but I wanted to really get in and refine it. And the best way I know how to do that, guys, is with One Blade Pro. This is One Blade Pro. Love this device. It's got this hybrid sort of cartridge and electric razor mix going. So this is the cartridge head that can be replaced, but it allows you to really get up and do some trimming and modeling. And today, I was just about to do that, and I'm getting internal pressure to get rid of the stash. So, you know, there's an old saying, guys. Happy wife, happy life. If the woman is not happy, you ain't happy. So it's coming off. But I bought a product recently because I am a sucker for marketing. And I was at CVS and I saw this product. It's called MICROTOUCH SOLO Titanium. It trims, it edges, it grooms. It's got a full body groomer. You can edge, you can groom your manscape if you'd like. It's the professional grade model. Now, I've done all sorts of reviews with One Blade against knockoffs and variants. MICROTOUCH Solo has been one of them, and it performed miserably, I'll be honest. You can check it out. I'll leave a link below for my MICROTOUCH Solo versus One Blade video. But this, they're telling you guys, new and improved. You see that? It's new and improved. So let's do an unbox. Let's use this side of my face for the MICROTOUCH Solo Titanium, and we'll use my beloved One Blade Pro for this side of my face, and we'll see. We'll see who comes out ahead. Let's unbox it at least. Nice bright yellow packaging. They tape this thing up so much that you really, it's like a security proof package. Comes with a quick start guide, which we won't use. Here is the device. Is it powered up? Does it have any juice? It has juice. And it has a light. See the light? Oh, and it's very vibrant. So this will definitely get me through today's shave. Look at the teeth here, guys. So very similar to One Blade. There are cutting teeth up top, cutting teeth at the bottom. You've got the logo here. Nice. Pivoting head. A nice snappy pivot. Very elegantly designed, guys. Smaller than your One Blade in size, so would be handy. This is going to go into my car. It has a USB charging cable, so it's perfect for a car. So now I have a travel mate. But in terms of the form factor, the overall design, I'm really liking it, guys. I'd have to say. And you have that light, so when you're in there, you can see what you're doing, which is a nice touch. Very nice. All right, here is said USB charging cable, nice to have. And a series of 3 combs. So if you want to trim the beard, you want to trim parts of the body, there you go. 3 protective combs. Now, One Blade Pro still trumps anything I've seen with this unique attachment here. These are essentially, I think it's 10 or 11 selectors in 1 comb. Not gonna lose that, guys. Fits nicely right on it for storage, for shipping. You have all of the different settings that you might need. And that to me is really a game changer. If you use them, in my time with this product, I've rarely used the trimming attachment. I did get into letting the beard grow for a while, and it could have come in handy, but I'd never used it. So let's get cracking. Let's talking more shaving. Now, the beauty of One Blade and these types of hybrid devices is the usability. I could use this in the shower, wet or dry, right? I can use cream. I don't have to use cream. I love that. So if you're quick on the go, so if this is in your car and you missed a spot, or you got called to a meeting, or you got a date that popped up and you have the shadow, you want to get rid of it, there you go. So let's get cracking. This side of the face or the mustache will be the One Blade pass. And for this side, I'll use the MICROTOUCH Solo, new and improved. Now, this is why I love the product so much. I have about a, 15-day mustache growth and soul patch. So take a look at this. Gone. Gone. No tugs, no pulls, no hurting, no nicks. I could shave over my lips. I can get right into those nooks and crannies. Shave my eyebrows, trim up. It's a beautiful device. Now, how does the MICROTOUCH Solo stack up? Oh, we already know we like the design of it, the smallness or the slight form factor. The color scheme is rocking. We like the light. But how does it shave? Let's see. Okay, not bad, but not as good. Couple of things. These teeth here, there's a little bit of danger involved. They're longer and they're not as coated as the One Blade. So they're longer and not as, you see this green kind of plasticky coating. You could potentially nick yourself up with this. Although it handled the stubble, it didn't get as close. So if I had come down here from another planet, I'd never used either, I would say that this was pretty acceptable because it really didn't give me any pain. There were no real nicks. There was one area where, I tugged a little at the skin and I let go. You may have seen that. And I'm not as confident, but overall the shave is not as close. Neither one of these is going to give you a baby's bottom smooth feel, but One Blade Pro is just a bit closer. Now, in terms of cost, you can get a One Blade for just about the same price as this. This is the One Blade Pro, which will cost you more. But the One Blade, the traditional One Blade, is essentially all you need. For my money, I'm still sticking with One Blade, but I will tell you that this has been vastly improved, and I will give it a run against a 7-day stubble coming up very soon. So it's an honorable mention, but guys, for my money, I'm still sticking with One Blade. It has not been defeated by any knockoff. Philips Norelco, in my opinion, has made one of the best consumer products I've ever used in One Blade. So there you have it, guys. Stack them up. My pick is One Blade, but definitely the MICROTOUCH Solo is going to be going into my vehicle, and it'll be there whenever I need it. Not a bad shave, just not as close and not as worry-free. I could potentially see you getting yourself nicked up. Now, maybe over time, you'll trust it more. You'll learn how to, adjust to it. Your face will acclimate to it. But right out of the box, guys, this is the way to go. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching this video. Please, before you leave, don't forget to leave a like. Send me a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. If there are any products that you want me to review for you. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time, which will probably be like tomorrow or the next day. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. And I'm going to keep reviewing products today. And I do like the light, though. Look at that. And I haven't read the instructions, to be honest. Roll the music.